Hey guys, what's up? We're back at you today at Zone 2 Garage. Today we're just going to go over the basics. If you're stuck on the road, 9 times out of 10 it's because you have a flat tire. Today we see one of our buddy's moms picked up a very nice bolt into her tire. So we already pulled the tire off. We're going to go get it patched after this, but we wanted to show you guys how to get off the side of the road if you were here. So today's tools we're going to use in the video is going to be the basic tire plug kit that you can get from any gas station or auto parts store. Alright, we have our reamer, we have our insert tool, we have our galvanized plugs. Over here we're going to have our little assortment of pliers. Depending on what object is stuck in your tire, guys, we're going to snatch it out. Alright, so the first thing we want to say, obviously your tire is going to be on the car. So we want to rotate the tire to where we can get a good working point on it. If it's in the front of the car, you can turn the wheel and get it really good. Alright, if not, then you do have to jack up the car and take the rim off. Alright, so once we do that, we're going to grab one of our pliers, we're going to grab our reamer. We're going to take our pliers and we're going to remove the object. We did this earlier, so this guy's not in there too much. Hear that air coming out? We're going to take our reamer, we're going to plug that. Alright, now with our reamer, we're going to hold it and we're going to clean this out a bit. This is to open the hole up so that you can get the actual plug in. Some holes are too small, but it's still a leak, so you want to fix it. So you want to clean this out a little bit. You see we have jagged edges on our reamer, so that's going to open the hole up. Alright, so we just want to clean it up, open it up real good. Once that's done, we're going to leave our reamer in there, put that down. We're going to go ahead and get our applicator. Let's go ahead, get our plug kit. We've used this a few times, guys, so we are on our last one. You normally get about 8 per packet, I believe it is, or 10. Alright, so we see this is just going to be like threading a needle for sewing. We're going to take our plug, we're going to slide that boy through. You want to get this through halfway, just so you know you get an even insert on the plug and it's filled out. So right about there is where we want to go. Alright, right to the top. Notice how our applicator has an opening on the bottom. Alright, that's going to come into play shortly when we use it. So now once we're sure our hole is nice and clean, boom, let's give it a few more just to clean it out. Pull that out, and now we're going to come in with our plug. And you're just going to push that boy in there. You want to make sure it goes in all the way. So where you only have like 2 little needles sticking up out there, like 2 little ends. Alright, and now we're just going to pull our plug out. Boom. We're basically done. What you're going to do here now, hopefully you have some cutters or a knife on the side of the road. If not, you can ride like this to the tire shop. Alright, we're going to go right here. We're going to cut those ends off. Alright, and now we're plugged and ready to hit the road. We can air up some tire, air up some air pressure, and be good to go. One thing I will point out, guys, we will never plug or patch a tire anywhere on this sidewall, anywhere too close to this edge. If the tire is worn down too much, has no thread wear, you're very dangerously plugging it, and get to a tire shop fast. Okay, we don't want you guys riding around dangerous, being stuck on the road, but we do want you guys riding safe. So this method is only temporary. Alright, get to a tire shop after doing this. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure and like and subscribe.